Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to find out the unit tangent vector and unit normal vector. So generally r bar is any position vector which is given by xi plus yj plus zk. Then what is the tangent vector? So tangent vector is given by derivative of r bar with respect to t. So dr by dt, or simply write down that r bar dash. So derivative of r bar is the tangent vector. Now what is unit tangent vector? So generally, suppose if we consider a bar is any vector, then how to find out unit vector along the direction of a bar? So that is denoted by E cap equal to vector A upon magnitude of E. So similarly, unit tangent vector how to calculate? Since the tangent vector is r bar dash, therefore unit tangent vector is given by r bar dash upon magnitude of r bar dash. So unit normal vector. So how to find out unit normal vector? So which is denoted by capital N of t. So unit normal vector is given by derivative of unit tangent vector upon magnitude of unit tangent vector. Now we see few problems on this. Find the angle between the tangents to the curve r bar equal to t square I plus 2tj minus t cube k at t equal to plus or minus 1. So generally, suppose if we consider a bar and b bar are the two vectors, then how to find out the angle between these two vectors? Cos theta equal to a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Now we have to find the angle between the tangents to the curve at t equal to plus or minus 1. First of all, we have to find tangent vector. So r bar is given, r bar equal to t square I plus 2tj minus t cube k. So then what is the tangent vector? So tangent vector is derivative of r with respect to t. So therefore find the derivative of r bar. So that is t square derivative 2ti plus derivative of t is 1, 2j minus t cube derivative minus 3t square k. Suppose if we consider t1 and t2 are the tangent vectors to the curve at t equal to 1 and t equal to minus 1 respectively, then find t1 bar and t2 bar. So t1 are given by put t equal to 1, and for t2 bar put t equal to minus 1 in tangent vector. So put the t equal to 1. Substituting t equal to 1, so 2 into 1 2. So there is no t value in this, minus 3t square. T is 1 means we will get 3 only. So therefore t1 bar is 2i plus 2j minus 3k. t2 bar, so put t equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2i plus, there is no t value, 2j minus 3 into minus 1 whole square. So that is 1 only, 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3k. Suppose if we consider theta is angle between these two tangents vectors, then cos theta equal to, use this formula, a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. So t1 bar dot t2 bar upon magnitude of t1 into magnitude of t2. So t1 bar is 2i plus 2j minus 3k dot minus 2i plus 2j minus 3k upon magnitude of t1 into magnitude of t2. So how to calculate this? Root of, generally if a bar is any vector, magnitude of a bar is root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So therefore magnitude of t1 is root of 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus minus 3 whole square, that is 9. Similarly, magnitude of t2 bar minus 2 whole square, that is 4 plus 2 square is 4 plus minus 3 whole square, that is 9. So find the dot product of these two. So 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9. So therefore how much you will get? you can cancel this 4 and this 4. So 9 upon, here we will get root 17. So root 17 into root 17 is 17. So therefore cos theta equal to 9 by 17 or theta equal to cos inverse of 9 by 17. See one more problem. How to find out the unit tangent vector and unit normal vector to the given curve r bar equal to 3ti plus 2t square j. So generally how to calculate unit tangent vector and unit normal vector. For this you need the value of capital T. What is capital T? Capital T is the tangent vector. So that is r bar dash. If you know that r bar dash, how to calculate this unit tangent vector? So this vector upon magnitude of this vector. So first of all you have to find r bar dash. Find r bar dash. That is tangent vector. So derivative of this 3ti, derivative of t with respect to t1. So 3i into 1, that is 3i. So t square derivative 2t. So 2t into 2 is 4tj. So find unit tangent vector. So unit tangent vector is vector, this vector upon magnitude of this vector. That is 3i plus 4tj upon root of 3 square plus 4t whole square. That is 16t square. So that is unit tangent vector. Now we have to find the unit normal vector. What is the formula of unit normal vector? Derivative of unit tangent vector upon magnitude of derivative of unit tangent vector. So first of all you have to find the derivative of this t cap dash, t cap. So that is d capital T over dt. So find the derivative of this by using u by v rule. U into v into u dash minus u into v dash upon v square. So v into, that means root of 9 plus 16 t square into derivative of this function with respect to t. So it is a constant, this value is 0, derivative of t is 1, 4j minus u into, u means 3i plus 4tj into derivative of v. So derivative of v means v is root of 9 plus 16 t square. So consider root x. Root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So therefore derivative of this function is 1 upon 2 into root of 9 plus 16 t square into inner derivative of this 16 into t square derivative is 2t. So that is 32t. So we can cancel this 2 times. 16 times and take the LCM of this. So LCM is, if you multiply this, LCM is root of 9 plus 16 t square. So multiply this root a into root a. So that means root of 9 plus 16 t square into root of 9 plus 16 t square is, we will get 9 plus 16 t square into 4j minus 16 into 3i. So that is 48 and here t also there, sorry, we have to write t also. So therefore 3 into 16 48 ti plus 4 into 16 48 into t into t square j. And so this is, you can write down that 9 plus 16 whole square raised to minus 1 by 2 into here power is 1. If you are adding this power, this 1 plus 1 by 2, if you are take the LCM of these two, we will get 3 by 2. Therefore, how much you will get? 9 plus 16 t square raised to 3 by 2. Now you have to simplify this. 9 into 4, how much you will get? 36j. 16 t square into 4. So multiply this, 16 t square into 4 is minus 64 t square j. If you open this bracket, this 16 t square and this 16 t square will get cancelled. Therefore minus 48 ti plus 36j. You can take here minus 12 common. So minus 12 into 4ti minus 3j upon 9 plus 16 t square raised to 3 by 2. So now find the magnitude of this vector. So that is root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So that is minus 12 whole square, that is 144, and find the square of this 2 and the 2 get cancelled. So 9 plus 16 t square raised to 3, that is 9 plus 16 t square whole cube, and in this 4t whole square, that is 16 t square plus minus 3 whole square, that is 9. We can cancel 1, 9 plus 16 t square, so we will get 1 here 2. So 9 plus 16 t square whole square, that square and the root get cancelled, we will get 9 plus 16 t square. Root of 144 means we will get 12. So therefore find the unit normal vector. Unit normal vector is, so this upon this. So what is the value of this? Minus 12 into 4ti minus 3 upon 9 plus 16 t square raised to 3 by 2 upon, so 12 this value, 12 upon 9 plus 16 t square. So cancel and simplify, we will get the answer. Thank you.